Hello, welcome to Fleming Star Tutorials. It's teacher Fleming Star welcoming you to today's lesson. In today's lesson for this particular grade in math, we're still continuing in the series prime numbers. For the last lesson, we expressed some given numbers as products of their prime factors in index form using multiplication method. However, in today's lesson, we are still going to be expressing given numbers as a product of their prime factors in index form. However, we're going to be using the division method. Let's quickly run through the multiplication method as used in the last lesson. Let's say we are to express 36 as a product of its prime factors in index form using multiplication method. First, let's find the factors of 36. 36, we have 1, 2, here 1, 2 here, 8. We have 3 here, 12. We have 4 multiplied by 9. Then we have 6 multiplied by 6. Factors of 36, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Prime factors here are the prime numbers amongst the given factors, which are numbers that are only divisible by itself and 1. Here we have just 2 and 3. Now, using the multiplication table method, we can either take 2 multiplied by 18, or 3 multiplied by 12, 4 multiplied by 9, or 6 multiplied by 6. Let's take 4 multiplied by 9. Breaking it down, here we have 4, that's 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 9, breaking it down, 3 multiplied by 3. Therefore, 36 as a product of its prime factors in index form, we have 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2. And please, I want to clarify this. I made a mistake in the last video on this particular number. I mentioned 3 raised to power 3. However, it's corrected in the comprehensive notes I gave or I attached to my description in my Google Drive. So you can take your time to visit that. Thank you. So for today's lesson, like I mentioned earlier, we are still expressing given numbers as a product of their prime factors in index form. However, we are going through the division method. Now, still using 36. 36. We are beginning with 2. 2 here we have, let's express each of the following as a product of its prime factors in index form. I should rub that off. Using division method. We are still using 36. 2 here we have 1 remainder 2. Yes, 3 can be divided by 2 once. We have a remainder of 1. Then taking it, adding it to to the 6, we have 16. 2 will go in 16 8 times. 18 is divided by 2 9 times. 9 cannot be divided by 2, there will still be remainder, so we'll take 3, the next prime factor. So 9 can be divided by 3 times. 3 can be divided by 3 once. We are done. So let's multiply this, the factors. 36 equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. We still have 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 in index form. Let's take another example. Let's take 72. Let's see. 7 can be divided by 2 3 times. We have a remainder of 1. Here we have 12. 12 can be divided by 2. How many times? 6. Okay. We still have to. Oh, we still end up at this. I should have taken another one. Let me take. Let's take another number. Let's say 844. Oh, sorry, it's here. Sorry. 2 in 14, we have 7. In 4, we have 2. 7 can be divided by 2 3 times, a remainder with a remainder of 1. Attached to this one, we have 12. 12 divided by 2, we have 6. We still end up in 36. Oh, funny. Quite funny. Okay, 2 here, 1, 16, 8. Getting back to this. 2 can still go. 2 can still be divided by 18 can still be divided by 2. Am I right? Okay. 18 can be divided by 2 9 times. So 9 divided by 2, there will be remainder with no other digits to take it up. So we'll use 3, the next factor. 9 divided by 3, we have 3 times. Then 3 can be divided by 3 once. Okay, so 144 equals to 1 2 3 4. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. Then 1 2 multiplied by 3 times 3. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3 equals 144. So in expressing this in its index form, we have 2 raised to power 1 2 3 4 raised to power 4 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2. We have expressed 144 as a product of its prime factors in index form, however, using division method. Now for you, very quickly, let me give you a number to solve on your own in 60 seconds. Let me give you the number 440. Yes, very quickly, 60 seconds. It's getting dark again. Oh. You have less than 30 seconds to go. Okay, pens down, and let's solve it together. Take the lowest factor, 2, the lowest prime factor, 2. 4 divided by 2, we have 2 times, and then in 0 is 0. 2 will still be divided, 20 will still be divisible by 2. We have 1 and then 0. 10 is still divisible by 2 5 times. Am I right? Yes. And then now 5 divisible by 5 just once. Therefore, expressing 40 as a product of its prime factors in index form, we have, so multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 5 will be equal to 2 raised to the power 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 1. If you have any questions on this lesson, please do make your thoughts known in the comment section, and then I'll still attach a note. If you couldn't get this, copy this down or get it right. If you couldn't write it down, or you can pause while watching the video. If not, I will attach the note in my description straight to my Google Drive. And then please do like and recommend to friends and family who you know would find contents of these videos useful, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson, in the next video.